Hi lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So today we'll be using voice over yet. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to do a brown smoky eye. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy and this is my beauty and lifestyle channel. The first thing to do is to blend my eyelid so that it will have the same color with my under eye. Then I will go in with this brown gel liner as my base. I won't be using my normal eyeshadow base. I'll use this brown gel liner as my eyeshadow base. So I'm putting that on my lid. Guys, if you've not seen my video on how to do your eyeshadow, I would advise you see that video, because if you have seen that video, any step you're seeing here, you will exactly know what it is, what we are doing and where we are headed to. Okay, so I am still putting that on my crease, on my eyelid, sorry, not crease. And of course, I'm using my blending brush to blend it. There should be no harsh line. If you leave harsh lines here, if you're putting your eyeshadow, that harsh line will still show. So I need to blend it perfectly well before I start adding my eyeshadow. Now after blending that, I will start off with a soft brown eyeshadow. You know your eyeshadow, you're supposed to build it up. So if you're doing anything, don't start with the darkest shade yet. Start with a lighter one. So this is me going in with a light brown and with my fluffy eyeshadow brush from Bobbi Brown. Yes, so I'm blending that and blend it, and of course I will work it to my brows because I want this brown smoky eye to take over everywhere. Yes, so that's what I'm doing. So I went ahead to layer it with another shade of brown, this time a darker one. That is how you do it. You first start with a lighter shade, then you build it up. Okay, that is it. And make sure you blend everything perfectly well. And with this my elf crease brush, I will use it to blend my crease, that part between the brows and then my eyeshadow. No, brow bone, not my crease, actually my brow bone. So I want that brown eyeshadow to get everywhere, and of course the under eye too. Anytime you're doing smoky eye, don't forget to smudge your under eye with that same shade you're using to do that smoky eye, whether blue, green, black, because that is what will bring out the smoky eye out more. So my lovelies, I'm still blend it very well, as you can see. So with my flat eyeshadow brush and then my powder, I am going to blend that part, that point between my brows and the brow bone to lighten it a bit, to make it a bit lighter. Okay, and please don't forget to visit our channel for more interesting tutorials. We have a lot for you waiting on this channel. Please go and watch them. If you want to become perfect in this makeup of a thing, please go to our channel and watch the videos. Okay, yes. So moving on, we are still smudging the under eye. You can see the feather arts, and then to line my waterline, I won't be using black. You know the eye is already dark, so using black will make my eye smaller. So I went for this metallic liner. It's not actually white, it's a kind of metallic, yes. It shines a bit, so that's what I'll be using as my waterline, so that the my eye will come out a bit. Okay, so after that, I took my setting powder and of course the beauty blender. I want to define that eye. A lot of people do this with concealer, like you can do it with concealer, but before you start doing this with concealer, please make sure that your blending game is so tight, else you're going to mess everything up. Yes, this will help give your eyeshadow a sharp edge. I don't know how to put that, but you understand. So using this my small eyeshadow brush, again I'm dusting that off. That is an eyeshadow brush, but blending eyeshadow brush, I really don't know. So I just got it and I decided to be using it for this function, and it works perfectly well for it. So that is me dusting that off, dusting the excess off. So moving on to mascara. Mascara helps your lashes to stand out so that when you put your false lashes, everything will just be in place. And of course, if you have eyeshadow on them, the mascara will help you to take out the colors. Okay? Now time for the false lashes. Please, anytime you're doing smoky eye, make sure you choose a lash that is not too full. It can be long, but please let it be scanty, okay? So I went ahead to apply that mascara on my lower lash line. This makes a whole lot of difference, like it will bring the look alive. Can you see? Just see the two eyes. You see the difference? So guys, this is it. And here comes the finished look. This is so beautiful. I love it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section if you're having any issue with your eyeshadow or you need a recommendation. Just leave it for me in the comment section. I'll be there. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.